Remember the days when Norton, McAfee, and Webroot were the go-to antivirus security suites for our computers? Nowadays, many of us have switched to the built-in protection offered by Windows Defender, now known as Windows Security. However, paid anti-malware software still exists. So, is it worth spending money on these? To answer this, we need to understand what Windows Security offers. Initially, Windows built-in protection was quite basic. But now, it has evolved into a comprehensive solution. Many tech reviewers have found that Windows Security effectively detects, stops, and quarantines the usual viruses and malware, even outperforming several paid options. Windows Security achieves this high success rate using two strategies. First, it examines signatures against a database. Microsoft updates this database multiple times a day with signatures for newly found malware. Windows Security then downloads these and compares them to potential threats. The second strategy involves the use of heuristics, which is the analysis of program behavior without using specific definitions or signatures. This allows Windows Security to block suspicious threats, even if they've never been encountered before. Despite these powerful strategies, there are still some limitations. A key limitation is Windows Security's heavy reliance on connecting to Microsoft servers and accessing malware data stored in the cloud. If the internet connection is lost, Windows Security only detects around 2/3 of threats. Most paid competitors store more resources locally, which gives them an edge in such situations. While most of us are consistently online, there might be times when you're not connected to the internet. In such scenarios, more advanced paid software, which relies less on a signature database and more on cloud AI, can offer more robust protection against new and evolving threats. Some of Windows Security's competitors slightly outperform it in terms of detection rates. Plus, paid services often come with extra features like a VPN service, home network vulnerability monitoring, or alerts for data breaches involving your accounts or passwords. While these features might not seem compelling enough to invest in security software for personal use, businesses and organizations securing multiple computers might find it beneficial. This approach, known as endpoint security, is provided by companies like CrowdStrike, HP Wolf Security, SentinelOne, FireEye, and even Microsoft. Endpoint security not only includes antivirus and anti-malware functions, but also advanced features like automatic BIOS restoration, deep file examination for malicious code, sandboxing processes in memory, security software operation through a hardware controller, and easy remote management. So, if you're responsible for securing multiple computers or need extra security for invaluable data, investing in a paid security solution could be worth it. But for most of us, Windows Defender should suffice. Just remember to stay vigilant online, especially with suspicious web pages offering tech support.